For my whiteboard project, I use real-time board, and honestly, I think it's a really cool tool. It's something I definitely see myself using in the classroom, especially since a lot of kids nowadays are more visual learners. This really puts all the key topics they need to know, and puts it all in a visual perspective like this. Like a flowchart like this, I feel like a lot of students can find these really helpful or visual learners. And one of my favorite parts about it, you can put in little sticky notes that don't necessarily fit into the flowchart but add useful information. So for example, you can put in additional videos that the students can watch right next to the important parts of the flowchart, so they can click the link there and watch the video. Or you can also put in a note right here that gives important information that elaborates on something in the chart. And I do think this is a really cool tool that you've showed us. I can see it being used in the classroom. There's a lot more other things you can do. There's different layouts you can do, different formats. You can ask questions. Like here, I asked the students questions about the videos and the key points I talked about. So I think it's a really good tool.